Nature is the endless expanse of life forms, beauty, resources, peace, and nourishment. Every bud that grows to a flower, every caterpillar that flies with the wings of a butterfly, and every infant who fosters the world as a human owes its survival and sustenance to nature. Nature includes living and non-living components that together make life on Earth possible. Some forms of nature can be seen through the lush green forests, the vast sky above us, the oceans without an end, the mountain standing tall, and so on. Nature nourishes the survival needs of plants, animals, and human alike. It provides the essential components of oxygen, sunlight, soil, water, clothes, and food. We find many colors in nature which make the earth beautiful. Nature is defined as our environment. It is the interaction between the physical world around us and the life within it, like the atmosphere, climate, natural resources, ecosystem, flora, fauna, and humans. Nature also includes non-living things such as water, mountains, landscape, and many other things. Mary Davis said, "To walk in nature is to witness 1,000 miracles." Nature has been found to have a calming quality on our stress levels. Beautiful natural surroundings and scenery can feel like worlds away from our home and work life, and consequently causes us to put away any associated stress on the back burner. Imbalance in nature can be life-threatening to all. Many factors are disturbing the balance of nature, like industrialization, technology, etc. Nature conservation is an important factor in saving nature. We need to preserve our nature.